I'm back on the 1 series, and as you can see, unfortunately I couldn't show you the bodywork being done, but he's painted it already. I say already, it's took a month. It's been like almost a year, but you know, you can't complain when you're doing deals with people. You can, and I did, but that's it, innit? That's life. But majority of the car's been painted. This wing, bonnet, and that full side, and the tailgate. But I'm going to stick the lights back in today. They need to paint the bumpers still, and the one side skirt. That there. Need to paint that. Then it's done. Car can be driven. Get some wheels for it. Do some other bits and bobs. But we'll make sure that we get all that captured for you. So I'll crack on.
Later.
Putting the 135i bumper on. They've not been painted. The sensors will be plugged in. I've got some tape on the back of these. They've been sticker flexed on. The brackets that hold these in was broke. Someone had removed them off this bumper, so I've took the ones off the old bumper and put them on. Just going round snagging and building it up today, guys. Sorry that you couldn't see a lot of the work getting done, because I've not been here, and obviously if I'm not here I can't film. So, you know, but we've got some trick bits to put on it, a few little added extras. I'll be showing you all of that, don't worry. I'll be also telling you a breakdown of what this car's cost, but I'm wanting to get it done for in the next couple of days, and then won't see it because I want to go to Scotland in it, because I don't want to go on the Uno. Built the tailgate back up, badge back in, put the wiper back on. Colour's really nice, it's a really good match, really impressed.
The following day.
Injected with a poison. We don't need that anymore. Injected with a poison. Injected with a poison.
Many months later.
Series today, guys, and I'm putting this 135 on exhaust, genuine one, got for £50 off eBay. What I've had to do is buy this reducer. It was round, put it on a block of wood, flattened it to marry up to this oval piece. I've migged it on, then I've got a piece of scrap exhaust there off an RD RS6. And I've gone this far up because this actually had a bend in it, had a big kink in it, and I've just finished welding it now. I'm going to do the moment to see if it fits. But, there it is. See how it looks. I'm going to put the splitter on as well. I'll try and film it. It's nothing interesting, it just clips in. Hang on, guys, I had it painted in gloss black. Some of the paint's come off there, where it's not been scotched properly. It wasn't me that painted it. Looks a bit dusty, it's been in the car for quite a long time. Yeah, it looks alright. See the exhaust fits, eh?
11 minutes later.
I'll show you here what I'm doing, guys. To make this exhaust fit, you would think you need new brackets, but don't rush out and buy any. This bracket, you just flip it the opposite way around. You swap the brackets over and turn it facing inwards, and they fit, and they're okay to use and go again. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but they're perfect, you know. So don't go out buying new brackets. I'll just show you on this other one now when I put it on. That's a bit tighter now that the splitter's on the back, the diffuser. I've been doing this without that. Let me put the other one. Oh guys, I'm happy with that, that'll do me. I think we're happy with that. Just got to bolt it in the middleweight bolts. This one's sticking out a little bit more. We'll see if I can do something with that when I bolt it up. I'm not bothered. I'm not particularly bothered at all. It's not meant for the car, and it's on, and it doesn't look too bad. Final piece, this plate to go back on. It's just 6 torque bolts. Oh, it stinks under here of piss. Probably rats. Doesn't help when you've got a bad shoulder. Get out of underneath here, it stinks. Wow. It's like being lay on a toilet of a urinal. Jeez. Go. Exhaust job done. For today, what I'm doing on this car, I've done enough. Go and put this piece of wood back, go home and come back another day till the car's finished.